This video shows edited highlights from the Colt car park ventilation demonstrations carried out in October 2004 in an underground car park at the Avon Fire and Rescue Service HQ in Bristol. The purpose of the demonstrations was to compare for the first time the smoke clearance abilities of traditional ducted extract and of impulse ventilation systems. The car park is a typical single-storey underground car park measuring approximately 50 metres long by 30 metres wide by 3 metres high. It's fitted with a traditional ducted extract system which provided 10 air changes per hour with extract grills at high and low level well distributed around the car park, as recommended in Approved Document B to the building regulations. For each test, the car park was filled with warm smoke, using smoke generators and warm air heaters for a period of 4 minutes, at which time visibility was reduced to around 10 metres. Once the car park was filled with smoke, the smoke generators and heaters were switched off and a selected ventilation system switched on and left to run until the car park was clear of smoke. For the first test, the existing traditional ducted extract system was used in order to provide base data on the smoke clearance performance of a system designed to current building regulations. The system has now been running for 20 minutes, and while visibility has improved, it is still poor, and the far end of the car park is not yet properly visible. The test was terminated here after 45 minutes, with the car park virtually free of smoke, although some smoke still hung around under the roof in stagnant areas between the downstand beams. The second test used the existing extract system, modified to extract from a single point halfway down the car park, still at 10 air changes per hour, with 4 Colt Jetstream impulse fans running to create internal air movement, replacing the distribution ductwork. At the 20-minute time check here, the visibility was much better than in the previous test, and the rear wall was clearly visible. The test was terminated here at 30 minutes, with the car park totally free of smoke. The third test again used the existing extract system, modified to extract from a single point halfway down the car park, still at 10 air changes per hour, with 2 Colt cyclone induction fans running to create internal air movement, replacing the distribution ductwork. At the 20-minute time check here, the visibility was similar to the previous test and much better than in the first test, and the rear wall was clearly visible. The test was terminated here at 30 minutes, with the car park totally free of smoke. Each test was carried out 4 times, twice in front of an invited audience, with very similar results. The demonstrations clearly showed that the impulse ventilation systems, using either the Colt Jetstream or the Colt Cyclone, outperformed the traditional system, and can therefore be considered as meeting the requirements of building regulations.